So far it's going good, great, and I feel in the coming session I'd love to be a part of, and then it will more impactful. In
That's
my
really
opinion, more than a knowledge sharing session, it's a character building exercise, and I believe it's a wonderful thing what we are doing here. We are teaching some core values to the people, not only how to behave them in their professional career, also how they can behave as a better person in their day-to-day life, in their interaction with in their day-to-day activities with people. This is one of the you know I will say this is one of the best way to do it, one of the best way to connect with people, one of the best way to win people trust, take people along with you, and also the nature of serve, to incorporate the values and apply on yourself and let other motivate through your actions. And I believe some of the activities probably could have helped, or some of the team building activities, more of little game kind of thing, which through actions people will also relate with the theory.